para hindi malinig magpati.
Sobrang busog na ako. Ito na yung pangalawang piece ng mangga. Ang tamis. Diyos ko.
Panabulaw kang bagkuri sa tigaro kayo.
Masarap ang paksi. Pero gusto masarap ang sabaw. Gusto ko so ano.
Pusidong niya.
Oo. Kapag kayo
Kapag kayo pusidong inon.
Kakainin ko pa sana yung tira ni Huli. Hindi ko na kinaya guys. Nag-focus ako sa ano dito sa maanghang. Tapos sa pili. Hindi masyadong rice. Yung rice lang kanina yun lang. Tapos eto mama. Busog na busog. Gusto ko lang matulog. Tulog na. Magtama ka po na.
Tauras.
May pupunta pala tayo. Watch, ano yun? Thank you, Lord. Ready na si... yung bola, inaamoy nyo, yung nag-pop. Magsiswimming tayo, guys. Ang baho ng ng bola. Magsiswimming tayo. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung susuotin natin. Ito yung nabili ko pa sa... Saan ba ito? Yung nag-caravan life. May tagpanghayang, guys. Oh. Pero nilabahan ko na yung ano nito, yung dito. Yung sa portahan. Tapos, ayan. Kaya lang dyan, mother. Si Mother. Si Mother. Nilalagyan ako ng sunscreen. Alaga, di ba? Laki na ng tiyan ko, guys. My God, hindi na ako mag-ano. Kakain pag uwi ko ng Australia. Sabi niya, alagaan ko raw ng aking skin. Sabi ko, alaga naman yan. Pero gusto niya lagyan. Dito lang sana ako maglalagay ng sunscreen.
Makakaniman daw ako gusto.
May nainggit.
Kaya daw ako.
Siya man na.
Ay, wow. Iba lang. Ngayon lang. Hindi ko lalagyan.
Siya, nagbalagay din siya. Ang sarap umuwi kasi alaga ng nanay. As in. Kay Sisi to, hiniram ko na.
Ay, okay lang. Ang dami mo naman na reklamo. Paano? Wala mo ng bata. Kapit pakaganda ka na sana. Tama naman.
We're ready, guys. Lock lang ni Mama yung door doon. Be, madumang. Tagtagahilingon mang harang iyo. Salamat.
Iyo. Habang mapagas mo na kami.
Oo, ikaw na mag. Parang ito.
Tapos sabihan mo diba sa paralato, natin dumalit-dali.
Ano? Hoy, no, di man kita makaagi dyan.
Ay, may dead suit.
Oo, sarado. Hi, Mother.
Ang ina naman to. Alam nyo naman.
Baka nalubog na.
Bumalik kayo sa bahay kasi naiwan ko yung isang phone. You right, Papa?
Yes. What's today, Monday?
Zach! Pagas lang kami.
Nag-ano ka kay ano duman?
Mother.
Tarawan mo si Magag.
Nag-order na ako sa Graceland ng pansit. Ano?
15 minutes pa.
Ano? 15 minutes pa? Na, yung order. Anong mga binakal mo, sis?
Pansit.
Tinanggal ko na yung aking polo kasi grabe.
Ay,
Ang init. Uy, ilang ko na lang sa baba. Diyos ko, bakit na kitang pansit na abutan? Alam mo, mabakal na sana kitang.
Tinapay na lang.
Magbakal sa kitang tinapay sa mga Aljan Bakery.
Pandesal gusto ko.
Love local.
Yes, pandesal.
Oo, pandesal. Sige, pandesal it is.
So, mainit-init. Masira mo ko duman.
Dumang Kamilgar.
Kung bibili ng pandesal.
Sige daw, wala daw. Naka ano na yun,
Paglalak mo man lang.
Okay, ready?
Nakala. Ka safety ang ano.
Magdaram ka sa nasin ang kalat kumawa.
Ay, ara yun. Tostado. Kulang pa, Jo. Ang init ng pandesal. Uy.
Jackman.
Very hot. Very hot. Very hot, son. Sandra, very hot, ha? Yeah, Sandra. Did you, do you want one? How about you, Holly?
I've had this before.
You like it?
These are like
Nice, no?
It would be better if there's something in there.
No, it's not. That's how we like pancit.
Which thing? We bought this and we ate it at the house.
It's too hot, Baba. Very hot. I know. That's right. Later na. It's too hot. Ano sabi sa inyo kung saan kami pupunta? Saan tayo punta, Sir?
Oras.
Oras? Oras?
Yeah.
Ano siya? Falls siya, guys. Falls, di ba?
Yeah.
Yes,
Oo.
thanks, Mom.
Pangalawa na nila to.
Doon yung source ng tubig natin.
Doon galing daw yung source ng tubig na galing sa gripo. Ika, Mama, tinapay ka? Si Kuya ayaw niya naman. Gusto niya nang maligo. Init na siya. How is it, Ollie? Masarap. Good? Good, boys?
Yeah.
Philippines eagle, the tiny monkey, the most tiniest monkey.
Wow.
Tayo sa Monte Holyo. Disivia.
Ito na lang.
Ito na tayo.
Look at that.
Come on, don't touch it, Nak! Daming tubig. Si Mama Pigpadara. Hoy, be careful!
Ikot-ikot.
Careful. Sak, just wait, okay? Malalim dito, Sak. Go that way.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on this.
Go that way, please. Listen. Okay. Land.
Don't push me, Mom.
Dito ako kukuha.
Auto baga sa pigdataram ko sa ino auto na taas.
Ah.
O, dahil tao duman ako.
Oo. Sak, careful. So, ito yung cottage natin. 300 dito. Tapos yung entrance, 50.
Mommy, I'm going.
Just wait, please. Ay, lobat din to. Ha? No diving, ha?
Mantayan, hindi ko matara rin. Ba't mo rin?
Daddy will love here. Kuya! Si Kuya naglalagay lang siya ng ano. Yung sa ears, kasi nga masakit yung ears niya, may tubig pa from the previous swimming namin. Ito po yung baon namin, kuyog, sinap ng saging, ayan yung pansit. Ayan na yung ating pansit.
You like some pandesal?
Ayan, where's the pandesal?
Pandesal.
I don't take your pandesal too much.
Ay, malulobat na naman ka. Hindi, panigamit ka na. Highland.
Hello. Ito ka. Budoy.
Kuya, kamusta na? Nagsalita ka. Bakit ka sa trabaho? Sa trabaho? Okay, guys.
There's a pay.
What's that? You have to pay. What's that? We pay already here. What did you say?
If you want to go up, there's a
Kasi maraming falls dito. Yung pa, oh.
payment.
Ah, dyan pa ating pagkikara.
Yeah, there's
Gusto niya na magpansit. Nasaan?
medyo mature ano.
Johnny is
Sa... You have to stay there. I'm good, thank you.
Ito kung ano kung yun. Fish sauce.
Smells that.
You need to try it.
Look at mommy. Baba, nak, look at me.
You have to dip the banana.
Ayan si kuya, magpapansit na.
Yeah. Yeah. You have to try this banana. Dip it in here. It's so good.
Try.
May mga ano ba kayo lumatan?
Gusto mo kumain na?
Kuya, look at me.
Ining ano? Ining kuyo?
Oo. Ay, dai.
Ito. Ano yung ano?
Si Sak second round.
What? Oh, here.
Careful with your clothes.
This is the cup.
Holly, go there. Look at me. Baba, nak, punta ka doon. Okay, smile. Hi, look at me. Di, ma'am ko papahuli.
Ang
Si kuya, favorite niya talaga ang pansit.
Pag kinuha mo siya, ang dami. Mama.
Ang cute ni Sarah siya ni kuya. Careful ah, careful. Go.
Yan na red.
Ano ko? Kain tayo. Gusto ko ito. Be careful ha. Kinapanawan kayo niya si Holly, sobrang nangangati siya. Sabi ng ano, baka daw nalangatong kung kagabi ko mo, nalangatong sobrang katiraw yan. Pero hindi naman, parang mga ano lang, kasi allergic si Holly sa mga bites. Yes, we're going. So nag-i-impake na kami dahil sa kanya, kasi ang pula-pula na ng legs niya. Nag-spray na ako yung sa mosquito kasi dala ko. So hindi na siya mosquito. Pag ahon niya sa tubig, ang kati-kati niya na, nakakatakot tong batang to, nervous tayo. Ako na sa. Oh. Ay, ikaw na, hindi siya
Dude, it's
hindi
hard.
siya matalim.
Wait, give us a knife. Give us a knife.
Please.
Please, please.
No.
What?
Ako na.
Ako lang.
Bak, ay, hindi na. Impake time.
Holly, is it itchy? Vito,
Ano pa lang?
Mom, this is
Tama na,
raw.
para si Jan kasi tatawag
Mom,
niya si Jan.
raw fish. Yeah, he said.
It's fermented.
Dapat pala dinata din si Jan ano.
Are you alright na, baby? Getting better? Yeah, we're going. Gusto niya na talaga kumuwi.
Bay na, mararagnaw na kita.
Sige na, maragnaw.
Duman, day na, duman.
Dahil na naman.
Baka maano pa. Maragnaw kita duman.
Magayon duman? Magayon duman?
Bagayin ko ta duman magragnaw.
Ano, so may puso-puso?
Dai. Ano arma?
Hindi, sa kabila ko pa yung
Gusto rin naman.
where's the other one? The broken. Kung malumoy na ako yung
Gusto niya pang mangga, wala na.
you want?
You know, you have to try the you have to try it.
Gusto pa ng mga bata, ng boys. Kasi ito, dami niya na, nagsuswell na naman. Diyos ko. Uwian na tayo, guys. So, siya, tinatalan-talan niya na lang. Hindi kaya na wala yung phone. Okay na? Bilisan na. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go, let's go. It's raining. Dito kami sa sa bahay ng kuya niya. May i-drop off lang si
Oh, Mom, can I
Alan.
drink your water, please, please, please?
Pakibukas po. Pakibukas. Ikaw nag-design lan? Kang harong?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ano po siya? Contractor po siya. Ayan yung kanyang bahay na
Ay, ako bumo.
kapatid niya.
Kasi dito matak.
Yung sa kubong nahiling ko,
Akala ko may swimming pool kayo. Alay.
may
May
pasaging
duyan.
si sir. Hello po.
Yan.
Oh, come on.
Maligo na ako, guys. Holly, you're alright na, Baba? Feel better? Okay, maligo ako. Hi, ate! Dito pa si ate, hindi pa siya umuwi. Nakaligo na pala kami, guys. And ayun, kumakain siya ng pansit at pinaram ko sa kanya yung phone para makalimutan niya ang kati ng kanyang legs. And nagpalabas si mama yung mga decolor. Pero yung puti ayaw niya. Binababad nila ni ate. Kanina, umuwi na si ate, ma? Hali pa lang. And si Papa, binuksan yung Nutella. Dala to ng kapatid ko, yung nasa UK. Tingnan nyo. Binuksan ni Papa, tapos binigyan niya si ate yung tumutulong dito kay mama. Tapos nagbigay din si Papa sa kapitbahay. Kasi ang dami ito. Sabi ko, hindi yan mauubos ng mga bata. Sinave nila tong isang bucket na to para sa mga bata. Sabi ko, hindi nila yan Papa kayang ubusin. So, ayan. Ang dami, no? Diyos ko, lucky. Ayan ako, ito yung aking kakainin. May prito pa. May pansit. Ang dami pang pansit. Dito si Oleg. Ang poging-pogi kong pinsan. Available and guys, baka gusto niyo mag-apply. Lutuin niyo yung talimago, yung inon. Masarap kasi yung prituhin. Ayan. Kumakain siyang Nutella. Pandesal. Kuya eating pansit. May mga kagat din siya, oh.
I'm gonna have pancit canton.
You're not gonna have pancit canton. Sulaki may baga. Sabi ko, no. Tingnan mo. Magbigay siya kalamansi.
And this is noodles.
Yeah, but
So
that's
what's the difference?
that's not healthy.
It's different.
That one's back to the one that you called.
That's right.
So what's the difference then?
It's backwards.
That's
What about spaghetti? That's like this.
no, it's not. The spaghetti is different.
But that's
But they're noodles. You said noodles aren't healthy, but this is
No,
noodles.
the one they put the mix. No. Here. Pandesal, kuya.
So soggy.
Because it's hot. Sak, that's too much.
This is what we do at home, you know.
Yeah,
You
it's
know
too
when
much.
we had to put Holly's milk? You know what happens? I get one. I ate it all.
Okay, can you get a bowl? Don't put that back. Don't scoop that back. Ay, naku. Okay, that's enough. Yeah, that's it. So, Toli, that's too much.
Did you cook well, Chloe? I saw your blood with your mom. And you're cooking well.
No, because you put that in your mouth, kuya. You cannot do that. Ayun na si Odilik. Tapos na siya kumain. Nagkwento-kwentuhan kami. Anong oras na, ma? 8 o'clock na, guys. I-add ko na yung vlog. Yun na yung vlog namin. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in my next vlog. Good night. Pawis ka naman na. Let's go to the room. Kasi nakauna dun. Ang aircon dun kami. Eto, inon naman. Pero ayan, papatayin na yan.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good, can't complain. It's like I'm losing my mind, and time's hard to find. What's a girl gotta do to catch a break up? When life tries to test me, I take it one day at a time. 'Cause I was crying yesterday, but look at me today. It has been so long since I wrote a sad song. put a dress on today. I don't care what you say. And I'm ignoring my phone, so don't try to reach me. I can't do nothing for you, so don't ask, I ain't coming through. Cause I'm running away to my own world, that's where I'll stay. Yeah. When life tries to test me, I take it one day at a time. Cause I was crying yesterday, but look at me today. It has been so long since I wrote a sad song. Sunshine on my face, I'm feeling okay. Nothing's in my way. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Nothing ever stays the same. There's always room for better days. Now I know how to live life with a smile on my face. Nothing ever stays the same. There's always room for better days. I was crying yesterday, but look at me now. Cause I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Say I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. It's kinda crazy, the kinds of things life throws at you. I never knew I'd feel so safe in your arms. Now you're all I need. It wasn't long before I knew that I fell for you and you had my heart. As fast as the seasons changed, my heart was stolen. Parts of me that were broken found love. And no amount of distance can change how I'm feeling. Cause I know this is real. I'm so happy that you're mine. Nothing in this world can make me feel the way that you do. Feels like I'm dancing on moonlight. Of all the stars at night, none of them can shine as bright as you do. They can't compare to your light. Thousands of miles between, still couldn't stop us. Just the thought of your love was enough. It's hard to imagine life without you in it. Even if at a distance, I'm still happier. Baby, won't you listen when you feel you're missing me? Let this be your little lullaby. Help you fall asleep at night. When I see you smile, I'm unafraid to grow up. Cause with you the future seems so bright. Won't you stay here by my side?
Cause I think I do want you next to me.